Good day, P4 students. Today we are going to discuss our Unit 9, which is entitled Get Active. So most of this lesson today is about sports, all right? So we are going to learn about the vocabulary and the grammar of our Unit 9. So stay tuned, listen carefully. We have first vocabulary here, easy. Everybody say easy. Next, we have hard. Again, hard. Another one, we have popular. Say it again, popular. Next, we have fun. One more time, fun. Another one, we have cycling. Say it again, cycling. Okay, next one we have race. One more time, race. Okay, another we have javelin. Everybody say javelin. Next, high jump. Say it again, high jump. Next, we have another vocabulary, champion. One more time, champion. Another one, we have paddle. Again, paddle. Next, net. Again, net. Another one, we have ice hockey. Again, ice hockey. Another vocabulary, we have cricket. Again, cricket. And we have here the word nipad. Again, say it again, nipad. All right, so those are our vocabulary. Most of them are sports because in order to get active, we are going to move our body and most activity we use are sports. Okay, that's all for our vocabulary. We are going to use them in our sentences later. So let's move on to grammar part. Our grammar is all about superlative adjectives, okay? We are going to use the superlative adjectives to describe three or more person, places, or things, okay? So the following here are our structure. Listen carefully. We have sentence structures. We use like, love, enjoy, hate, and the ing form of the verb. Okay? Again, in describing, we use like, love, enjoy, hate, plus the ing form of the verb. Example here. Look at the picture. I love high jumping. So the picture is high jump. So we use the word love plus the ing form of the verb. We say, I love high jumping. Okay, another picture we have here. I enjoy doing gymnastics. So we use the word enjoy plus ing form of the verb, which is doing. So we say, I enjoy doing gymnastics. Okay, next, sentence structure. Look at here. Look and take note also of the words written in red. So we have here, this is the easiest race of all. She is the best high jumper in the school. So we have here adjectives. Adjectives, comparative, superlative form. So we say strong, stronger, the strongest. Easy, easier, the easiest. Bad, worse, the worst. Good, better, the best. So those are the three uh, level of our adjective. Now we will going to learn them properly on the next slides. Look at this. Superlative adjectives. What is superlative adjective? Or what are superlative adjectives? So, are used to describe more than two objects. They are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. So we have here the structure, noun as a subject, plus verb, plus the, plus superlative, plus noun as the object. So we have here, look at the sentence here. Okay, look at the sentence here. We have noun as a subject, ping pong. Our verb is S, plus the superlative adjective, which is most popular, plus noun as an object, which is sports in my country. So look at the sentence structure. This is how are we going to write the sentence structure of in a superlative adjectives or using superlative adjectives. So again, look at the color of the word. It also represent the word down here. So noun as a subject, we have ping pong, plus the verb, we have S, plus we have the, plus superlative, we have most popular, plus noun as an object, we have sports in the country. So this is how are we going to write the sentence in a superlative adjective form. You understand? Okay, next. Superlative adjectives. We say ping pong is the most popular sport in my country. Cricket is the most boring sport in the world. So look at the word written in red. These are our superlative adjectives. So let's learn this down here. We have adjective, comparative. Comparative, we are going to compare two objects only. Remember our previous lesson? We only compare two subjects. So we use comparative form. And now, what are we going to learn is in the superlative form. So listen carefully. Ready? Adjective, popular. Compared to things, we use more popular. And in superlative form, we use the most popular. So this, look at the color of each word, okay? Boring, compared two things, more boring. Compared three or more things, we say the most boring, okay? Next, exciting. Compared to, we have more exciting. Three or more, we say the most exciting. All right? So focus on the superlative form of this adjective. Next, we have also some adjectives, short adjectives. So we have short adjectives here. Look at them properly. So we have short adjectives, comparative adjectives, comparing to, only to objects. And we have superlative adjectives here. We are comparing three or more. Okay, we have here strong, stronger, the strongest. Tall, taller, the tallest. Heavy, heavier, the heaviest. Easy, easier, the easiest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Thin, thinner, the thinnest. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Much or many, we say more. And in superlative form, we say the most. Far, farther, the farthest. So focus on the superlative adjectives because this is our lesson for today. This is only comparing two. We have to use now the superlative adjectives, which is comparing three or more objects or persons. Okay, so we have here example of superlative sentence. Look at the picture. We have bike, fast, adjective, comparative, faster, car, and the plane is in superlative form. So we say superlative sentence, we say the plane is the fastest transportation. All right. Among the three, the plane is the fastest transportation. So we use the fastest here because we are only using the superlative form of adjective. So the superlative form, meaning we are comparing three objects or three transportation. So we have in a superlative form, we have to say the fastest to describe the adjective that describes in a superlative form because we are comparing three again. So we say the fastest. All right. In a complete sentence, we say the plane is the fastest transportation. Okay. Next example. Look at this example here. We have a superlative sentence again. Look at the picture. We have food. Let's say we are going to buy food in a supermarket and there they have prices. Okay, so look at the prices of each food here. Now, in this picture, we are comparing more than three food. Okay, more than three kinds of food. So, look at the sentence here. Let's say the chicken is the most expensive food I bought from the supermarket. So chicken is €9. Okay, so this is the most expensive. This is the most expensive food. All right, in this list. So among this food, chicken is the most expensive food. Do you understand? So we are comparing more than three and we're going to make or to tell which food is the most expensive from the supermarket she bought. So we say the chicken is the most expensive food I bought from the supermarket. Okay, because chicken cost price is €9. Understand? Okay, so this is also the example of superlative sentence comparing more than three objects. All right, so we have here on your book, make a list of sports you and your friend good at. On your book, you have there on your book, everybody open your book. Class book, ready. Open your class book to page 88. Open your class book to page 88. All right. So you can see there is a table of sports. Then you have for your answer and you have for your friend. So what are you going to do? Ask one of your friend to answer this activity with you. So what are you going to do is make a list of sports you and your friend good at, bad at, and not very good at. So we have here example. I provide already the table for you. What are you going to do is read and write G if you're good at, B if you're bad at these sports, and in VG if you're not very good at. So if you say basketball, if you are good at basketball, you can say or you can write G. Okay? If you are good at basketball, you can write G. If you are good in running, if you are bad in running, you can write B. If you're not very good at all in jumping, you can write A, and again, you can write N, V, G. Okay, so that's it. How about if you're good at swimming, you write G. If you're not very good at soccer, you write, or you're bad at soccer, you write B. Then if you are not very good in tennis, you say in V, G. And if you are not good at gymnastics, you will say, or you will write B. Okay, so you are going also to write the answer of your friend. Just write the answers here. Write only G, B, and VG based on your friend answer. Use these ports on the left side to interview or ask your friend. Okay? All right. Next. Next slide. Okay. We are going to do speaking practice. With your friend again, you are going to say, based on your answer, you can say, I'm good at basketball. He is not very good at soccer. She's bad at swimming. So look at the word written on the red text. This is a comparison or comparing to your friend, comparing words. So we are going to describe you and your friend using these sentences. You can follow the sentence structure here. Do you understand? Okay, next. After you do that, after you do speaking activity with your friend, let's do our workbook exercises. On your workbook, please watch this lesson again and answer the following workbook exercises. On your workbook, you have to answer this page or these workbook activities down here. So read and answer carefully. For workbook, page 85, answer exercise 2 only, okay? Workbook, page 87, answer exercise 2 only. For workbook page 88, answer exercise 1 only. Workbook page 89, answer exercise 2 only. And the last one we have workbook page 92, which is a revision exercise or revision page. Answer exercises only 2 and 3. So you understand? Only exercise 2 and 3. Okay, that's all for today, P4. Let's meet again on our next video. So what are you going to do is watch again this video from our vocabulary to our grammar part. Then answer these exercises on our screen. Okay, thank you very much. See you on our next video. Bye. Bye-bye.